guys, welcome to the Delano 1-bedroom, 2-queen suite. The nice thing is when you walk in right away, you have a little 2-piece bathroom. Then when you walk in, you have a nice living room space, couch, TV, desk. Great view. We're up on the 38th floor. Right behind us here is a little wet bar. Going into the bedroom, you have the 2 queens. Again, that awesome view. Here we have his and hers closets again. In the first closet, you have the safe. Nice hanging space. TV in the middle. Second one, you have an ironing board and iron. Nice hanging space. Let's check that view out one more time. There's a nice strip, Deluxer, Caliber, GM in the back. So this room has 13 plugs, so lots of space to spread out and plug all your devices in. We're heading into the bathroom. Jacob there was playing with the remote for the TV. You also have the second toilet in this room. Going into a fair space for the double sink. Then you have this beautiful tub. Great water from the back. Going into the shower. And the best part is robes on the door. Alright guys, thanks for joining us on this one.